Stay awake for too long. Don't go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee for you.
Mineral charcoal, industrial charcoal, and biochar are three common carbon materials that differ in their sources, production processes, and applications. Mineral char comes from carbonaceous minerals in nature, such as coal, oil, and natural gas, and is mainly used for fuel and energy production. However, its use is limited due to its non-renewable nature and high environmental impact. Industrial charcoal is made by high-temperature pyrolysis or carbonization of coal, wood, and other organic matter. It is widely used in the metallurgical, chemical, and foundry industries, and has special functions such as adsorption and conductivity. Biochar is produced by pyrolyzing agricultural waste and other organic matter under low oxygen conditions. It is mainly used for soil improvement and carbon sequestration. It has good environmental benefits and is a sustainable material to deal with climate change. Unlike mineral charcoal and industrial charcoal, biochar can store carbon in the soil for long periods of time, helping to slow down greenhouse gas emissions.